correlation is really when two things have a relationship with each other. So when ad spend has a relationship with sales, which we all hope is actually happening, then we would say that they're correlated. There's also a statistical and mathematical definition to correlation, which is done through calculations. And so getting to that and answering whether or not two things are correlated, there's a mathematical calculation behind it before we can say, yes, these two things are correlated. And this is what Proof does. So Proof does the mathematical calculation in order to get to whether or not a correlation exists. And when does this happen in the business cycle? So correlation can be tested and calculated among all sorts of different ideas and different things. It really is just a way of showing, does a relationship exist between two factors? So if those two factors are ad spend and sales, or any sort of other factor in sales, or anything like that, that's really a correlation can be applied in those circumstances. So I have definitely gotten up to my elbows in the statistics that are in this algorithm behind it, to the sense that I've been explaining it to some of the Proof team. So you definitely have to understand something in order to be able to explain it to somebody else. So some CMOs really understand this topic, and for some, they just realize that they need to understand it or they need to have it. So it's really a wide range.